Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about IP addressing. As we know that we have started with our work with network fundamental and we have done with router, switch, topologies, architecture, so many things. So today's topic is about practical. But before starting the practical, we have to know about the simulator that we are going to use for practice. So the simulator name is Cisco Packet Tracer. As you are seeing that on screen, this software name is Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the software which is provided by Cisco and it is totally open source software. It is free of cost. You can download it from Cisco's website. There are so many Packet Tracer website and it is official software of Cisco. In the Cisco software, you can make design of your network. You can give IP addressing to network. After that, you have to go with routing technique, switching technique, security technique. So many things are there in this. So, okay, let me start with the introduction with Cisco Packet Tracer practically. Okay, so in Cisco Packet Tracer, you will need to know that we have so many series of network devices here. Here you can see there are routers, different catalyst based information routers are there. 1941, 2901, 2911. After that 89 series, CGR routers also, ISR routers are also. And in the switch section, here you are seeing switch. We have 2960 layer 2 switch, some generic switch which are empty. You can add ports here. After that, this is multi-layer switch. This is also multi-layer switch. This multi-layer switch has fast Ethernet port and this multi-layer switch has Giga Ethernet port. Another we have hubs. Wireless devices are also there. Cell towers are also there. So we have so many devices are there. After that, if you want to work on cloud, then you can use cloud purpose. In configuration, we have DSL cable, frame relay, so many things. If you want to go for PCs, we have PCs, laptops, servers. This is printer, IP phones, VoIP phone. So this software is a like combo software in which you can go for every network device and you can make their simulation, because it is not able to get original router. These are they are so costly routers, like it is not easy to purchase each and every router. So Cisco provides a software like Cisco Packet Tracer, so network students can practice their topologies on this. And also there are some features of Cisco Packet Tracer, like you want to write something, then sticky notes are there. You want to make any diagram of their topology, then this is also used. After that, you can make changes with the diagram with this option. This is simple PDU. When we will configure our IP addresses on PCs and routers, then we can use this for pinging purpose. Like if in simulation purpose, you can ping this. After that, we have another options like for example, I am taking one router here. Any router you can take. This is basic router 1841. So you can check here. This is the actual diagram of the router. You can on and off the router. After that, you can add any port, like for example, you want to add switch ports are there, then you can add switch port. Okay, if you want to connect router to router, then you can add serial port here. Okay, so in CLI portion, we have to discuss about the coding. So coding part we'll do later. After that, you can see these are the font of the coding part. So in options, preference, you can choose the font level according to you. If you are choosing 16, then the font size are great. If you are choosing different like 8, 9, 10, like it is according to your need, you want to change the font size. After that, you can check in preference also. If you want to see the animation, you can use show animation. You can go for play sound also there. Show device model name, like device model name is 1841, you want to hide or you want to see, show device label, device name label like router 5, router 6. If you want to disable auto cable here, then you can disable this. So there are so many things basic. When we do practice, then day by day you will learn about it. Okay, so in cable part we have discussed about straight cable, cross cable. So if we are going to make topology here, okay, so first of all, how to delete this? Then we have a cross button here. So cross button is used to delete the component. For example, you want to make design like this, okay, router to router. So I told you that in router you can switch off the router, then you can add HWIC2T port here on, and on another router you can also add HWIC2T port here. For example, you have not add port in this router. So when you will click on cable connection, then you will find console cable, straight cable, cross cable. After that, fiber cable is also here, serial cable. So router to router HWCIT2T port means serial cable can be connected. But on this router, serial port is not there, so you can connect router to router with cross cable also. This one. And if you want to connect router with switch, okay, then your straight cable will be used. And if you want to connect PCs with switch, then again straight cable will use. Fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet. Okay, so this is the designing part. So first we want to start with practical of IP address. Then before IP address you need to make about design. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about IP addressing on my PCs and also IP address with subnetting part. Thank you.